Good day, tutor and classmates. My name is Mayra Alejandra Segura Gómez. I am Colombian. I am from Colombia. I live in Sogamoso City. I am supervisor of mines. I studied supervision of mining labors in the Sena. I speak Spanish. I am 27 years old. I like to listen music, in special rock, dance, drink with my friends, and work in the mines. I don't like linens. I am studying industrial engineering actually. These are my activities on a typical day in the week. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, take a shower, and get ready. Then I have breakfast, chocolate, bread, and eggs. And I go to the bus station. I take the bus to the Gamesa. I go to work at 8 o'clock. I enter in the mine at 8:30 in the morning. After of the daily talk to the workers, I measure gases in the mine. I lunch at 1 p.m. and go back home at 4 o'clock of the afternoon. I arrive home at 6 o'clock. I do homework of the university from 7 o'clock to 9 p.m. and after the homework of my son. And then I go to bed. The Saturday I make cleanliness in the morning in the house. In the afternoon study from 3 p.m. to 11 of the night. And then I go to bed. And after on Sunday I wake up late in the afternoon play with my son.